In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dependency in ClickUp. If you've ever had a task held up by another task, you've worked with dependencies. They're great for coordinating work, but once a task is no longer blocked or waiting on something else, removing that dependency keeps your workflow clean and accurate. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your ClickUp account. Head into the workspace where your project lives so you can see the tasks you're managing. You can be in whatever view you prefer, list, board, or calendar. The key is to locate the specific task whose dependency you want to remove. Picking the exact task matters because you're going to adjust the relationship tied to that single item, not the entire project. Once you've found the task, click on it to open the task details. You'll see the task's title, description, assignees, dates, and other options. Look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. It usually appears next to the task name or along the top of the task window. This menu collects several advanced controls in one place, which is why we're using it for this change. Click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Dependencies. This takes you to the section that lists all relationships for the task, such as tasks it is waiting on or tasks it is blocking. Seeing these in one panel helps you confirm you're working on the right connection before you remove anything. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good moment to quickly verify the change won't impact anyone else's timeline. Inside the Dependencies section, find the dependency you want to remove and click the X icon next to it. That X is the quick remove control. Clicking it immediately disconnects the selected dependency from your task. If the task was previously marked as blocked, you should see that indicator clear right away, and the task will behave like any normal item again. If you see multiple dependencies listed, remove only the ones you no longer need by clicking the X next to each specific relationship. That's all it takes. Open your ClickUp account, select the task, use the three dots menu, go to Dependencies, and click the X to remove the link. Keep your task list tidy by regularly clearing outdated dependencies, and you'll keep momentum flowing through your projects without unnecessary holds.